And a machine fire a IRAMA ref for Jamaica's game. Roughest out here, hear me talk? No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, we are with Legal Conflict. Yeah, man, Legal himself with Tight Grip. That one, I want AI video by OMG TV. Big up a 7G. Could jump in the one on here with the GS, man. Let's go. Let's get it. Play the man.
Legal conflict. For my girl.
Hold on. What going on so legal? The quality of the video legal. We needed at least 1080p. This is a 480. We need at least 1080p. So the person who upload the video next time wanna do it properly, please. All right? Yeah. So I could gag it.
Legal conflict.
Done.
For my girl. For my girl. Be a pussy bless, pan bless. And me a do with the one make your ex-man vex. Every day I'm a text and no stress. You want no real boss bitch, you do your own thing. You got a pretty look of face with a nose ring. Be a vagina don't. Legal conflict. For my girl. For my girl.
Sick legal.
Be a pussy bless, pan bless. And me a do with the one make your ex-man vex. Every day I'm a text and no stress. You want no real boss bitch, you do your own thing. You got a pretty look of face with a nose ring. Be a vagina don't sting. Cause when I fuck time, you're not boring. You know
Maybe your pum clean like a done spinning book in high school. When a sex time, you're not boring, mama. You're active. Be a
vagina don't sting. Cause when I fuck time, you're not boring. You know easy for you, like a clothespin. You did married and me make you divorce him.
Remember, say you did married and make you divorce him. Listen to me. That one here I got pinned down in the comment section. I want to go on the video. Hold on. That one here I got pinned in the comment section. Go over there, go tell legal. I'm saying over there.
You know easy for you, like a clothespin. You did married and me make you divorce him.
Look at I can't tell this. I teach her this. I teach her.
You know easy for you, like a clothespin. You did married and me make you divorce him. You got a tight little passage, girl. Wine pan the cocky, take it out and make it slapping. I'll run the cocky and tell her fit on. Pussy too fat, I must 30 pound that.
Bombo clap.
Slapping. I'll run the cocky and tell her fit on. Pussy too fat.
Hey, pum fat though. Hold on. Can I get an officer in the comment? Is there any police in the comment section right now? Can I get that AI girl a ticket for traveling tree in front? She's traveling tree in front. Give her a ticket. What on? Hey, pum fat so.
Cocky take it out and make it slapping. I'll bring the cocky and tell her fit on. Pussy too fat, I must 30 pound that. Y'all keep the pussy clean, no can't dirty on that. You say you want fuck and then me say for you long. Sit down funny long cock and make your body clap. You a give me tough chatter, you know you're not bad. But me like you for that, now go strike you for that. Treat the pussy like a door as you close it up and back. Real boss bitch, you do your own thing. You got a pretty look of face with a nose ring. Be a vagina don't sting. Cause when I fuck time, you're not boring. You know easy for you, like a clothespin. You did married and me make you divorce him. You got a tight little passage, girl. Wine pan the cocky, take it out and make it slapping. Wine up your body like this, cause you know me like this. Top girl in the street, in a bed, my bitch, girl balance pan the body, girl.
Top girl in the street, in a bed, yeah, my bitches. So she's a freak in the sheets and a lady in the streets. That is what he's talking about.
Cause you know me like this. Top girl in the street, in a bed, my bitch, girl balance pan the body, cash for your eyelid. And if your pussy breathe, no, so me mind it. Post a picture on the gram, and I keep it private. Shot the end on the rocker, that I kick the vibes in.
Hey. Me nah go hide like my bank account. Me nah go hide like my bank account balance, mama. Me a put you up front, me a post picture with you cause me proud of you. You look good to your hat. When me carry you out and a dance alone, me a carry cause you're not a sound box. We a go out spontaneous dates. Some girl used to them thing the big person, mama. Hey.
I need post a picture on the gram and I keep it private. Shot the end on the rocker that I kick the vibes in. Now lie me never see a girl so lively. Make your big body jar them twerk time. Real boss bitch, you do your own thing. You got a pretty look of face with a nose ring. Be a vagina don't sting. Cause when I fuck time, you're not boring. You know easy for you, like a a clothespin. You did married and me make you divorce him. You got a tight little passage, girl. Wine pan the cocky, take it out and make it slapping. I'll bend the cocky and tell her fit on. Pussy too fat, I must see 30 pound that. Girl, you keep the pussy clean, no can't dirty under. You say you want fuck and then me say for how long. Sit down pon the long cock and make your body clap. You a give me tough chatter, you know you're not bad. But me like you for that, me go strike you for that. Treat the pussy like a door as you close it up and back. Real boss, bitch, you do your own thing. You got a pretty look of face with a nose ring. Baby, your vagina don't sting. Cause when I fuck time, you no boring. You know easy for you up me like a clothespin. You did married and me make you divorce him. You got a tight little passage, girl. Wine pon the cocky, take it out and make it slapping.
A clap. Yeah, man. Big up legal, you know, man. OMG, big up yourself, 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 big up yourself. Legal! Oh, clad. Sang nice. Don't know say legal about artist still, so I expect nothing less than a bad song from the G when the G put out a song. You see me? Yeah. My only negative about the song is the upload resolution. It needed to be at least 1080p, at least some HD. Use some HD, because right now I watch on a big screen and it kind of grainy for me. Uno can see it good because the screen is kind of smaller, but yeah. But like I said, I want to go drop in the comment section, so make sure you go over there and tell Legal say I'm missing you. You see me? And make sure you drop a like on the stream, leave upon the video. Leave a like on the video, and then just do the right thing. You know if you do already, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? Peace.
Binds! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.